What if the biggest mistake people make while trying to lose fat is focusing only on the number on the scale? When calories drop too aggressively and protein is too low, some of that weight loss can come from valuable muscle, and losing muscle can make you weaker, affect performance, and reduce the amount of energy your body uses throughout the day. The better goal is not simply to weigh less, it is to encourage your body to reduce stored fat while giving your muscles enough protein, nutrients, and energy to stay strong. That means choosing foods that keep you satisfied, support recovery, and make it easier to control calories without feeling as though you are starving from one meal to the next. In this video, we are counting down 12 powerful foods that can support fat loss while helping you protect lean muscle. Some deliver concentrated protein, others improve fullness or provide important nutrients for training and recovery. And make sure you stay until number 1, because it is one of the simplest foods to build almost any muscle-friendly fat loss meal around. Low calorie, high satisfaction. Berries may not be a major protein source, but they can play an extremely useful supporting role during fat loss. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries provide plenty of flavor and volume without adding a huge number of calories, making meals and snacks feel much more satisfying. Their fiber content also slows digestion and can help meals keep you satisfied longer. That matters because one of the biggest threats to a successful fat loss plan is constant hunger. Pairing berries with a protein-rich food such as Greek yogurt or cottage cheese creates a combination of sweetness, fiber, and protein without relying on heavily processed desserts. Berries are also rich in vitamins and naturally occurring plant compounds that contribute to an overall nutrient-dense diet. Try adding them to oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or a post-workout bowl. They will not magically melt body fat, but they can make a calorie-controlled eating plan more enjoyable and therefore much easier to maintain consistently. Steady energy, better fullness. Oats are especially useful when fat loss needs to happen without sacrificing training performance. They provide complex carbohydrates and soluble fiber, giving you a slower and steadier source of energy than many highly refined breakfast foods, while helping you remain satisfied after eating. This is important because preserving muscle usually requires more than protein alone. Your muscles also need enough fuel to train effectively. When carbohydrates become excessively restricted, some people notice lower workout performance. A sensible serving of oats before training can provide usable energy while still fitting comfortably into a calorie-controlled diet. The key is what you combine with them. Instead of loading oats with sugar syrups and calorie-heavy toppings, mix them with Greek yogurt, milk, protein-rich ingredients, cinnamon, or berries. That creates a balanced meal containing carbohydrates, fiber, and protein, the combination that can support energy, control hunger, and help protect muscle during fat loss. Plant protein plus fiber. Edamame gives you something many snacks fail to provide: meaningful protein and fiber at the same time. These young soybeans are filling, nutrient-dense, and incredibly convenient, making them a smart option when you want to increase your protein intake without turning every meal into chicken, eggs, or fish. Protein supports muscle repair and maintenance, while fiber adds volume and slows digestion. Together, these qualities can help control appetite during a calorie deficit. Edamame also contains carbohydrates, which means it can provide some training fuel alongside its protein, rather than functioning purely as a low-calorie vegetable. Enjoy steamed edamame as a snack, add it to salads, grain bowls, or stir-fries, or combine it with other protein sources for an even more substantial meal. The biggest advantage is versatility. When your diet contains several enjoyable sources of protein, reaching your daily protein target becomes far easier without making your meals repetitive. Protein-rich training fuel. Quinoa is a useful carbohydrate source for anyone who wants enough energy to train while keeping meals nutritionally balanced. Unlike many refined grains, quinoa contributes protein as well as fiber, minerals, and slowly digested carbohydrates, making it a valuable foundation for a muscle-supportive fat loss meal. Although quinoa should not replace higher protein foods entirely, it works beautifully beside them. Combine it with chicken, fish, tofu, lentils, or eggs, and you immediately create a meal containing both protein and carbohydrates. Those carbohydrates can help fuel demanding workouts and replenish some of the energy your muscles use during training. Portion size still matters, because quinoa contains contains more calories than non-starchy vegetables, but when used strategically, it can make a fat loss diet far more sustainable than eliminating carbohydrates completely. A moderate serving surrounded by lean protein and vegetables gives you satisfying volume, useful nutrients, and the energy needed to keep exercising consistently. Fiber, protein, lasting fullness. Lentils are one of the most valuable plant foods for people trying to lose fat without constantly feeling hungry. They provide plant-based protein together with a large amount of fiber, meaning a bowl of lentils can feel surprisingly substantial while contributing important nutrients to your overall diet. Their combination of protein and slow-digesting carbohydrates makes lentils particularly useful in filling meals. Instead of experiencing a quick burst of energy followed by hunger, you get a more substantial food that takes time to digest. This can make it easier to maintain a moderate calorie deficit without battling cravings throughout the afternoon or evening. Add lentils to soups, salads, stews, or grain bowls, or combine them with eggs, fish, chicken, or tofu when you want more total protein. They are inexpensive, easy to prepare, and naturally low in saturated fat. That makes lentils an excellent food for increasing meal volume while still supporting the nutritional demands of an active body. Slow protein, serious fullness. Cottage cheese packs an impressive amount of protein into a relatively modest serving, making it especially useful when you are controlling calories. Its thick texture and high protein content create a satisfying snack or meal component that can help you reach your daily protein target without requiring complicated preparation. Cottage cheese contains a large proportion of casein, a slowly digested milk protein. Because digestion happens gradually, it is commonly used as an evening or between-meal protein source. Providing your body with adequate protein across the day supports the ongoing repair and maintenance of muscle tissue, particularly when calorie intake is reduced. Choose a variety that fits your calorie needs, then pair it with berries, cucumber, tomatoes, herbs, or a small amount of fruit. Just watch highly sweetened versions that can add unnecessary calories. Cottage cheese is simple, affordable, and incredibly easy to fit into a fat loss plan when you need more protein without preparing another full meal. Lean plant-based protein. Tofu makes it possible to build high-protein meals without depending entirely on animal foods. It absorbs seasonings extremely well, works in dozens of recipes, and provides protein that can contribute to muscle maintenance when consumed as part of an overall diet containing enough total protein. One major advantage of tofu is how easily it can replace more calorie-dense ingredients. Grill it, bake it, air fry it, or add it to vegetable stir-fries and soups. When prepared without excessive oil, tofu can create a substantial meal with plenty of protein while allowing vegetables and other lower-calorie foods to provide additional volume. Firm and extra-firm tofu generally work especially well in savory meals because their texture holds up during cooking. Pair tofu with vegetables and a controlled portion of rice or quinoa for a balanced meal containing protein, fiber, and carbohydrates. Variety like this can make long-term fat loss much easier than eating the same protein every day. Lean protein, minimal fuss. Tuna is one of the easiest foods to reach for when you need a large protein contribution without an enormous number of calories. Plain tuna is convenient, requires almost no preparation, and can transform a basic salad, sandwich, or vegetable bowl into a much more satisfying high-protein meal. Because protein has a strong effect on fullness, meals centered around tuna can help reduce the urge to snack soon afterward. The protein also provides amino acids your body uses when repairing and maintaining muscle. That becomes particularly important during fat loss, when adequate protein and resistance training work together to help preserve lean tissue. The preparation makes a major difference. Tuna mixed with large amounts of mayonnaise can quickly become far more calorie-dense, so consider Greek yogurt, mustard, lemon juice, herbs, or chopped vegetables instead. Tuna is best used as one protein option among several rather than your only fish choice, keeping your overall diet varied and balanced. High protein, easy calorie control. Chicken breast has earned its reputation as a fat loss staple for a reason. A relatively small serving delivers substantial protein while remaining comparatively low in fat, allowing you to build a large filling meal without consuming the calories that can accumulate quickly from heavily processed or fried protein sources. During a calorie deficit, protein becomes especially valuable because it helps preserve lean tissue and tends to be more satisfying than many refined carbohydrate or high-fat snack foods. Combine chicken with a large portion of vegetables and a controlled serving of potatoes, rice, or whole grains, and you have a meal designed around both fullness and performance. The mistake is assuming healthy chicken has to taste boring. Use garlic, paprika, herbs, lemon, chili, cumin, or other seasonings. Then grill, roast, or air fry it instead of covering it with calorie-heavy sauces. Making lean protein genuinely enjoyable is important because the most effective fat loss eating pattern is the one you can continue for months. Protein plus healthy fats. Salmon gives you high-quality protein along with omega-3 fats, making it a valuable food for both muscle-supportive nutrition and overall health. It is more calorie-dense than extremely lean fish or chicken, but its richness also makes meals satisfying, so an appropriate portion can fit extremely well into a fat loss diet. The protein provides amino acids required for muscle repair, especially after resistance training, while salmon also supplies vitamin D, selenium, and other important nutrients. Instead of viewing dietary fat as something that must disappear during fat loss, the goal is to choose nutritious sources and control portions so total calorie intake remains appropriate. Pair a moderate piece of baked or grilled salmon with vegetables, salad, or a small serving of potatoes or whole grains. Avoid turning it into a calorie bomb with sugary glazes and heavy sauces. Two simple things matter most: enough protein to support your muscles and a sustainable calorie deficit that allows stored body fat to gradually decrease. Big protein, easy snack. Plain Greek yogurt is one of the most convenient foods for increasing protein without cooking anything. Its thick texture makes it surprisingly satisfying, and depending on the variety you choose, it can deliver substantial protein while keeping calories relatively controlled. Perfect for breakfast, snacks, or even healthier desserts. Greek yogurt works particularly well during fat loss because you can increase its volume and flavor with lower calorie ingredients. Add strawberries, blueberries, cinnamon, or a few oats, and suddenly you have a balanced bowl containing protein, fiber, and useful carbohydrates, rather than reaching for pastries, cookies, or highly sweetened breakfast foods. Look at the label because flavored yogurts can contain considerable added sugar. Plain Greek yogurt gives you greater control over what goes into your meal. It can also replace sour cream, creamy dressings, and some mayonnaise-based sauces, giving you an easy way to increase protein while reducing calories in foods you already enjoy. Complete protein. Incredible versatility. Eggs deserve the #1 position because they can be used at almost any meal and provide high-quality protein along with important vitamins and minerals. They are quick to cook, affordable in many places, and can turn vegetables, whole grains, or a simple breakfast into something much more filling. Eggs contain all of the essential amino acids your body needs from food, including amino acids involved in stimulating muscle protein synthesis. When combined with resistance training and enough total daily protein, foods like eggs can contribute to maintaining muscle while you gradually reduce calories to encourage fat loss. For even more protein without dramatically increasing calories, you can combine whole eggs with additional egg whites. Add spinach, mushrooms, peppers, tomatoes, or other vegetables for extra volume. Whether boiled, scrambled, poached, or made into an omelet, eggs make building a satisfying protein-centered meal remarkably easy. Here is the big takeaway. Losing body fat without sacrificing unnecessary muscle is not about finding one magical food. It comes from combining a sensible calorie deficit with enough protein, nutrient-dense meals, consistent resistance training, adequate recovery, and patience. Your goal should be improving body composition, not simply forcing the scale downward as quickly as possible. Start with the foods from this list that you already enjoy and build your meals around them. Put a quality protein source at the center, add plenty of vegetables or fruit, include carbohydrates according to your activity needs, and manage calorie-dense extras carefully. Small choices repeated consistently are far more powerful than extreme diets you can follow for only a few weeks. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who is trying to lose fat while staying strong. And subscribe to Healthy Grams for more practical nutrition strategies that make healthy eating simpler. Then tell me in the comments, which of these 12 foods is already part of your diet, and which one are you adding this week?